It's very much giving grown and sexy. Effortless bouncy curls. I'm talking perfect for work or a date night, girl. You want the deets, you better keep on watching. Do not places, because this here is it. What's up, ladies? It's your girl Carrie M, and today's video is sponsored by Alipearl Hair. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit that pretty red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. Okay, so we have a beautiful unit from Alipearl Hair. I will be showing you a 16-inch body wave 13x4 lace frontal wig. I have it in a large cap size. It has 2 combs, one on each side, one in the nape area, and adjustable straps. Okay, they did give us an elastic band if you want to sew one onto your unit. If not, you will not be able to use the unit glueless until you do so. So we're going to melt it on. Now the lace was a little bit too light, so I didn't tint it. I used some of my concealer, and then I went in with some of this powder to, you know, get that concealer to stay in place and not be creamy and moving all over the place. And then I'm going to set that with some of my setting spray like I usually do, and then I'm going to go in with some hairspray to give it the ultimate hold so it doesn't move, fly around, or go anywhere. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is trying this unit on. Now this unit fits so well. I'm definitely getting ear to ear lace, and I'm getting space from front to back. Like, the unit fits perfectly, and I have a 22.5 circumference size head. Now the hairline is decent. It could use a little work, but they did do some type of plucking on the unit. Okay, if you want to leave it like that, you are free to do so. I will be, because I ain't doing all that work today, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna start with cutting the lace around my ears first, which I love to do, especially when the wig fits nicely, because it just gives it's just the perfect first step to making sure that your lace sits nicely up on your head when you melt it. So you want to part it with your comb and cut it off around your ear, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and cut the lace everywhere else. So you don't need to see me do the other ear, because you already saw me do this ear. So I'm just gonna go ahead in a zigzag type of pattern, so that way it's not giving too much of a straight hairline and giving that wiggish look. Now my head is really oddly shaped. I don't know what it is. I think maybe I have a short forehead, like a small forehead, but the wigs usually in the middle area, sometimes the way they have the hairline shaped on the wigs are usually too far up into my face area. So I'm gonna go in and cut some of that off, because I want it to look as natural as possible, and that wasn't given natural, not for my head shape, if you get where I'm going with this. So anyways, I'm just gonna melt it with some of this bedhead spray, and I just use this throughout the entire hairline. I didn't use any got to be glue gel or anything. I just used spray throughout the entire hairline, and I just melted this baby down. Okay, now I want to let y'all know that this hair is so soft, and I did not co-wash the unit. I am installing this unit directly from the pack that they gave me. Okay, so this is the hair directly from Alipearl. I did not co-wash it, and I actually like the curls that it came with, so I decided to leave it as is. Okay, so I did add a little bit of heat protection to this unit, because I'm gonna go ahead and repart this. I'm gonna repart this again. It is a 13x4, so you do have some areas to repart the hair. So I did want to spray it with some heat protectant, because I know I'm going to go in with the flat iron and put a little heat to it, but I also will put some heat to it later on. You will see that part when I get there. And the unit is really easy to style. If you know how to melt units, this is a breeze. It's easy breezy. If you have never melted a unit, I say this all the time, you have to start from somewhere, and I would say give it a shot. The unit is really pretty. It's actually really pretty, and that is one reason why I didn't co-wash it, because their curls were like so perfect, and I was like, girl, I'm not going to be able to get my curls as perfect as they had it. So yeah, that, you know, because sometimes you just start messing in the wig and it's not giving what it was giving when you first got it. But anyways, I did swoop up a few baby hairs because I thought it would be really cute, and it's been a while since I really rocked out some baby hair, so I did that. Okay, so I went ahead and put this on my head while I was doing my makeup, and then I came back. My face is beat, okay, beat to the gauze. When you see it, oh baby, it brings the look together. And I went ahead and created my parting space. I did not pluck anything on this unit. I didn't pluck a part, I didn't pluck a hairline, so it was very important that I needed to put some makeup into this parting space to make it come to life and look realistic as possible. Okay, and I'm gonna set that as usual. You already know the deal. In any spots that I got too much powder on, I did go back in and I added some brow pencil to that. Now, this is the part I was talking about when I said I will go in with some heat. I just really wanted to tweak some of the curls in the front area so it could sit a certain way for the style that I wanted. Like I said, the curls that they gave and provided were really nice, so I really didn't have to touch the unit up, but I just wanted them to fall a certain way in the front of my head. But that is the only place that I added my own curls to. Everything else are the curls that the hair came with, and I just finger combed it, and you know, got it to sit how I wanted it to sit, and boom, the unit is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's definitely giving grown and sexy. This is definitely my style. I feel like I look so good in these styles with these nice short cut bobs, nice little layers, nice little curls, little side swoop. Absolutely beautiful, like effortless and just gorgeous. Like, this is giving date nights. This is giving work wear every day. I just absolutely love this unit, and I might start getting into using actual glue, lace glue on my unit so I can keep them on for a few days, because you know I normally just do hairspray, but this is something that I would probably want to keep on my head because it just looks like a done hairstyle, and it's just beautiful, full and soft, not really getting any tangling or shedding with this unit, and it's just giving, girl. I love it. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comment section what you think about this unit. I love it. Okay, you already know how I feel, and of course all of the information for the hair will be listed in the description box below. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up, but I will see you ladies in another video, so I will holla. Bye.